Today, we will explore something exciting. How to play GTA 5 on your mobile device without complicated settings. So, let's get started. First, open your Play Store on Android. In the search bar, type Cheeky Play PC Games. Now, you see an app listed there. That's the one we are looking for. Tap the button and install it. Once the installation is complete, launch the app. It will request storage permissions, so make sure to grant them. Look in the upper right corner for a search icon and tap on it. Now, type GTA in the search bar. You will see a list of results. Tap on the first one that appears. On the next screen, press the play button. You will need to log in, and you can do so quickly using your Google account or Facebook according to your preference. After logging in, press the play button again. You will see different versions of GTA 5, like Story Mode, Online Mode, and more. These are premium versions that require payment. However, I have good news for you. There is a free version you can play. However, you need a coin for 3 minutes of gameplay, and you can earn coins for free, or you can buy them if you want. To continue, simply press the free option to start. You will encounter an advertisement, but don't worry. Wait a few seconds and close it. The app will check your network connection, and soon you will see a timer. It's a waiting period before you can start playing. The current waiting time is about 60 minutes, but it may vary depending on when you play. Once the wait is over, GTA 5 will launch on your phone. And there you go. You're ready to explore GTA 5 Mobile. If this tutorial was helpful, a thumbs up would be appreciated. Thank you for your attention, and see you in the next video.